Hello children, this is Saubhagya Mohanty. Today I am going to discuss lesson 4 factors and multiples. Factor. What is factor? In a product of two or more numbers, each number is a factor of the product. For example, 7 into 9 equal to 63. Here 7 and 9 are factor of 63. That means 7 and 9 are completely divisible by 63. Second example, 2 into 3 into 4 equal to 24. Here 2, 3 and 4 are factors of 24. That means 2 is divisible by 24, 3 is divisible by 24 and 4 is divisible by 24. So 2, 3 and 4 are factors of 24. A number is a factor of itself. That means a number is divisible by itself. That's why a number is factor of itself. 1 is a factor of every number. Why 1 is factor of every number? Because 1 is divisible by every number. These two are always true. So to find HCF, HCF means highest common factor. To find HCF, there is two methods. First one is prime factorization method and second one is long division method. Let us discuss what is prime factorization method. In your book, see question number 1A. Here you have to find HCF of 84 and 105 by prime factorization method. So first you find out all the factors of 84 and 105. First is, let us take 84. 84 divided by 2 is 42. 42 divided by 2 is 21. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. So factor of 84 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Then find out factors of 105. 105 is divisible by 3. So 105 divided by 3 is 35. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. So factor of 105 is 3 into 5 into 7. Then find out HCF of 84 and 105. Find out the common factor. What are the common factor? 3 is here. 3 is factor of 105. So 3 is common. First write down 3. Then 7 is factor of 84. Again 7 is factor of 105. So here you take 7. Take out the common factors. 3 and 7 are the common factors. So HCF of 84 and 105 is 3 into 7, 21. 21 is the HCF of 84 and 105. Then you see the next question, question number 2B. Here also you have to find out the HCF of 28, 56 and 42. Three numbers are given. Process is same. 28, first find out the factors of 28. 28 divided by 2 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. So factor of 28 is 2 into 2 into 7. I have written here. Then find out factors of 56. 56 is divided by 2, answer is 28. Again 28 is divided by 2, answer is 14. 14 divided by 2, answer is 7. 7 divided by 7, answer is 1. So factor of 56 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Then find out factor of 42. 42 is divided by 2, answer is 21. 21 is divided by 3, answer is 7. 7 is divided by 7, answer is 1. So factor of 42 is 2 into 3 into 7. 2 into 3 into 7. Now find out the common factor of 28, 56 and 42. What are the common factor? 2, 2, 2. 2 is the common factor. So first write 2. Then 7, 7, 7. 7 also common factor. So total HCF of these three number is 2 into 7, 14. So 14 is the HCF of 28, 56 and 42. The second method of finding HCF is long division method. Here also you take one question that is from your book exercise question number 3C. The question is find HCF of 1037 and 1159 by long division method. Here I have written 4 steps to find the long division method. Step 1 is divide the bigger number by the smaller number. Here out of these two numbers, this is the smaller one, this is the bigger one. So 1159 divided by 1037. This is the first step. So 1, you take 1. Now remainder is 122. The second step is divide the divisor by the remainder. Here remainder is 122 and divisor is 1037. Now you divide this number by this divisor. So you write 1037 here. 1037 divided by 122. Take 8. Now this is 976. Remainder is 61. Again you divide this remainder by 122. So 61 divided by 122. 2. The remainder is 0. The second step is divide the divisor by the remainder. Third step is repeat the process till the remainder is 0. Now remainder is 0. Then fourth step is the last divisor is the HCF. Here we find 3 divisors. First one is 1037, second one is 122 and third one is 61. But 61 is HCF of these two numbers. The last divisor is the HCF. So HCF of 1037 and 1159 is 61. 61 is the last divisor. So this is the final answer, HCF of these two numbers. Multiple of a number. Multiple of a number is product of the number and a counting number. For example, here 6 into 1 is 6, 6 into 2 12, 6 into 3 18, 6 into 4 24, 6 into 5 30 and so on. Here 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. These are the multiples of 6. Now a number is multiple of itself and all numbers are multiple of 1. Now to find LCM. LCM means least common multiple. How to find least common multiple? Here also two processes are there. First one is prime factor method and second one is long division method. See how to find prime factor method. Question number 4a. The question is find LCM by prime factor method. 3 numbers are given, 18, 24 and 60. Here also you find out a factor of 18. First 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now factor of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 3 into 3. Then find out factor of 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now factor of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then find out factor of 60. 60 divided by 2 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So 60 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Then find out LCM of 18, 24 and 60. When you find LCM, you take highest number of the digit repeated. Here 2 is 1 time. Here 2 is coming 3 times. Here 2 is coming 2 times. So you take the maximum number of 2 repeated here 3 times. You take 2 3 times here. 2 into 2 into 2. Then here 3 repeat 2 times. Here 1 time, here 1 time. So you take the maximum number of 3. 2 times, take 3 into 3 2 times. Then 5. So LCM of 18, 24 and 60 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Answer is 360. Then the second method is find the LCM by long division method. In this method you take 3 numbers at a time. At least you take the number which is divisible by 2 numbers. Now 18, 63 and 78. Out of these 3 numbers, 18 and 78 is divisible by 2. So 2 is divided by 18 and 78. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 63 is not divisible by 2. So you write down 63 again. Then 78 divided by 2 is 39. Now these 3 numbers are divisible by 3. Take 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 63 divided by 3 is 21. 39 divided by 3 is 13. Out of these 3 numbers, these 2 numbers are divisible by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 13 is not divisible by 3. So write down 13 again. Now LCM of 18, 63 and 78 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 13. 2 into 3 into 3, 7 into 13. Take all these 6 numbers. 2 into 3 into 3 into 1 into 7 into 13. So answer is 1638. This is the process of finding LCM by long division method, and this is prime factor method.